Oil and NG both have taken a sharp drop yesterday, specifically NG. Now, those who watched my yesterday's analysis must recall I asked you to go short at 9.05, and then you can expect that we may see a sharper drop. Likewise for oil, see the beauty I told you, watch out for 88.5, 88.8 zone. This is going to be a stronger resistance. Precisely it reversed from the same levels, and specifically I told you go short or sell below 87.5. You can expect 85 and 84 levels. Achieve the both the targets on NG and oil. Now what is going to happen today? What should be our strategy? We will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake. Do subscribe, like, share and comment, and do watch till the end. First we'll look into oil followed with NG. Do listen to it carefully and do note down the levels. Let's start the day. See, oil has again come back to its stronger support levels at 84. The level between the zone between 84 and 85.5. I told you multiple times in my previous analysis also, and months back when it was at 120, I told you it is looking forward to $80 levels again. It has precisely achieved 81, and see 84 is a very strong support for the day and in fact for near term also. It is trying to reverse from here, but see this hourly charts, lower highs, higher lows. Now today you have to be watchful of 84.5. If you see it trading below 84.5, be watchful till 83.8, and if it drops below 83.8 you can definitely certainly expect it to drop for 83.2, 82.5 and 82 levels. Below 82 it can certainly drop more. Now see on the hourly charts, lower highs are given till 85.5. Be cautious with the buys on the upside. So 84.5 and 85.5 do not trade. Directional movement is bearish, but it is trying to converge with the two green candles which we have seen. Stochastic had seen the lows, trying to rise here. MACD is willing to converge, crossover for a bullish move. RSI trying to look upwards on the hourly charts. Now look at the 2-hour charts here. Likewise on the 2-hour chart, see 84.5 has created a very strong base for now. At the same time 85.5 has created the resistance level. In between this $1 we should be very cautious and alert while taking the position. Beyond 85.5, yes, 86, 86.5, 87, every $0.5 there is a resistance, but the next target is going to be 87, which is a very strong resistance zone, and then 87.5. Be cautious of 87, 87.5 zone. This is again a very stronger resistance. So beyond 84, this is now for the day 85.5 first target, and then 87 levels which are going to be a very strong resistance. Directional movement is bearish, but it is trying to converge. The stochastic was oversold, trying to come out of the oversold zone. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge here. If it crosses over, then we can see some green candles. RSI looking upwards, indicating little bullishness there. On the 3-hour charts, 84 levels again proving out to be a very crucial support. Look at the previous 3 candles. The bearishness diminished. It is trying to reverse a little. First green candle, the second green candle could be sharp enough for it to take it till towards 86. In fact 87. Now for the day, be careful of 87, 87.5 zone. Only and only if it sustains above 87.5 you can expect little bullishness. Else remember it is trading in this channel. Achieving 87, 87.5 zone, it can again resume the downward trend there. Be cautious. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish. It can try to converge with the greener candles. RSI is looking upwards. Now look at the 4-hour chart. Now looking at the 4-hour charts, This is the support, there is a resistance. It is trying to break past this 85.5, definitely a good resistance beyond which you can expect this zone at 86 and then 87. 87 is a very strong resistance. 87, 87.5, you have to be very careful till then. It can reverse. If it is bearish, it may reverse, and the reversal can happen from those levels. Be careful. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold on the 4-hour charts, and hence you can expect couple of green candles so that it can become comfortable and then a drop may follow. MACD is bearish, trying to converge here, and the RSI is trading flat with a little bullish bias. Now look at the daily chart. Now see, the new candle on the daily charts on this app is yet to begin, but see here, look at this similarity here. One red candle retracement, the second red candle here, and also lower highs, lower lows here, trying to trade within this channel. So the support here at 84 and 83.5 levels, rather in fact 83 are going to be strong. Below 83 you can expect a certain and sharp drop. So for the day you can go short 84.5. It appears that should be a good entry. Directional movement is bearish on the daily charts. Stochastic is looking downwards with a little drop. Yesterday it is looking downwards again. The MACD has seen a little green candle, but now again trying to cross over for a sell entry. RSI is looking downwards. Considering this, you can go short today on crude oil below 84.5. Expect 84, 83.5, 83.2, and then 82.4, 82 levels are going to be the next support. Below 83, definitely we may see a very good drop, which might in fact try to take it till towards 82 and 80 levels, which are my long term targets, and it may try to achieve 80 and in fact drop below these levels if it continues to trade below 83 today. On the upside, buy above 85.5, expect 86.5 and 87.5 as a very strong resistance. So you have to ensure 87, 87.5. You may close some of your trades and then wait and watch how it behaves there. If it continues in the same direction, take a buy position again. Take your trades accordingly. Do not trade between 84.5 and 85.5 levels, and take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at NG. And yes, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, taking right entries at the right exits, identifying the good trades, you can join my mentorship batch. The 16th batch is going to start on 3rd of October. 90 minutes live sessions daily for 15 days except weekends. And yes, you will also get the support, technical support for any of your queries. Reach out to me for more details and enroll now. My Telegram channel ID, my Telegram personal ID, and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can become a Patreon and support. Just a $7 contribution from you will be a great motivation for me. Even the newspaper cost you more than that, but I am delivering daily and weekly the consistent profitable results. Become a Patreon. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at natural gas. Now see, natural gas has taken a support this time from 8.25, and look at first red candle reversal, sharp red candle, then a couple of retracement candles, then a trade, and now it is trying to rise again. Also look at the formation there. Possibly once it trades above 83.5, yes, you can take a long entry, but remember, in fact, till 8.35 you can buy, but remember 8.45 and 8.5, these two levels are definitely going to be a very strong resistance on the downside. So yes, if you are long at 8.35, put the stop loss at cost as soon as you see your trade is in profit. So trade with the strict stop loss and trade with the trailing stop loss. Remember, every trade closed without profit or with little profit, definitely this is a learning for you all, and then automatically confidence boost for you to take a next trade with more confidence. And anyways, the little profits which you gain will definitely help you gain more confidence and build your risk potential, and hence you have to trade accordingly and trade with the stop loss. So Directional movement is bearish, stochastic is looking upwards, the MACD is willing to converge crossover for a bullish move, and RSI is trading near to bottom. Now look at the 2-hour charts. See, it has consolidated here, and this time even after the breakout it is trying to reverse again. So what should be considered a reversal? Only and only if you see it trading above 8.5 and 8.55 zone, you can expect that this should reversing. This is the reversal which we all are waiting. Now look at the last 3 candles. This is trying to rise from here. Yes, beyond 8.35 you can expect it to rise for 8.45, 8.5 and 8.55 levels. If it breaks past 8.55, consider that we may see a little more rise till towards 8.75 levels. On the downside, sell below 8.25. So do not trade between 8.25 and 8.35. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold, trying to come out of it. The MACD is bearish, it is divergent. RSI is trading flat near to bottom. On the 3-hour chart, see the previous low at 8.2 and then this time 8.25. It is trying to create higher lows. At the same time, one must not forget that see the previous candle after a pullback, the yesterday's candle was the sharp drop, and day before yesterday, this is a 3-hour chart and this is 3 candles back. So it has got a pullback. Now it is trying to give you higher lows. So once it drops below 8.25, definitely it will call for another round of drop till towards 8.18, 8.1 levels, and in fact this time it can breach $8 levels also. On the upside, be watchful of 8.55. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic is oversold, still looking downwards. The MACD is divergent and bearish, and probably it has seen the high. We may see either range bound movement or slightly bearish movements. RSI trading flat. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour chart, so this is a very critical zone between 8.55 and 8.6, and if it trades above, you can certainly expect the bullishness. Look at 4-hour charts, lower lows, and possibly, yes, if you consider a parallel out here, it may in fact try to rise for 8.5 levels. So go long above 8.35. You can certainly expect 8.45, 8.5 levels as the first target. Be careful of 8.55 and 8.6. This zone is going to be a supreme resistance zone. Beyond 8.6, you can again expect it to hit 8.75 and 8.8 levels. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold on the 4-hour charts, may look for a pullback. The MACD though has just crossed over recently, it is just 3 candles away and it is still indicating more bearishness. RSI is trading flat. Now look at the daily chart. See, on the daily charts, creating the base here at 7.8, we have seen the rise in NG, and this is a bullish move where it has seen the high and now trying to reverse here the complete gains. Only and only if it sustains below 8.25, you can expect it may try to drop for 8.1, 8.05 and in fact $8 levels. Once it drops below 8, you can expect a stronger bearish move which might try to take it till towards 7.84, 7.8 zone. Directional movement is bullish, trying to converge here. Stochastic was overbought and now looking downwards here. The MACD is red and it is still trading with the divergence, and RSI looking downwards indicating bearishness. Considering this at 8.45, yes, you can take a buy entry, but remember 8.35 you can take a buy entry, but remember 8.45 and then 8.55, these two levels, in fact 8.6. Be careful till 8.6 as these are the levels from which it can reverse again. Be careful of 8.6 levels, and if it breaks past 8.6, we can expect 8.74 and 8.8 levels. Beyond that, it will fly high. Consider that as reversal if it trades above 8.8. On the downside, yes, if it drops below 8.25, go short, and below 8.25, you can expect it to drop further. We can see it hitting 8.1 levels, and in fact we may see it dropping below $8 levels at around 7.8. It has got very strong support. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. in these volatile markets. Stop loss is your friend. Keep it. Either shift your stop loss to cost or entry price every time. Whenever you see a milestone, close your trades in profit and keep a trailing stop loss such that whenever it reverses, your trade closes in profit automatically. So trade accordingly, trade profitably. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals group, join my Patreon page. Links are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.